What are you cultivating in your armpits? Smells? Odor-causing bacteria? Or even worse, how you use your deodorant may be the problem. Stop bacteria from ruining your life. Keep your deodorant clean. Those odor-causing bacteria that live in your armpits can be easily transferred to your deodorant stick if you are not careful. Bad bacteria living on your deodorant easily make their way back to your armpit. Try to stop them. Clean your deodorant stick before using. Repeat cleaning as often as needed. Use deodorant with care and caution. Properly extend deodorant stick and apply deodorant without scraping the sides of the holder against your skin.